How to download VK on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download the VK app on your Android device. So VK, also known as vKontakta, is one of the largest social networks in the world, and downloading it is super easy. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Google Play Store on your phone. And once you have opened it, simply tap on the search icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And in the search bar, simply type VK and search for it. Now the official vKontakta app should appear at the top of the search result with the VK logo clearly visible. Simply tap on that, and in the new page, simply tap on the install button. Now wait for the installation to complete. This might take time depending on your internet speed. And once the installation is complete, you can simply tap on Open to launch the app. Once you have opened the app, you can log in with your existing VK account or create a new one by following the on-screen instructions. It's quick and simple. And that's how you can download VK on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.